We are going to see mod and counter. So first of all, we should know what is mod n. Mod n means nothing but a number of states, right? For example, if you want to implement mod 7 counter, that means we have to implement 7 number of states that should be counted. That means counting should be done from 0 to 6. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? So that is what your mod and counter is. So here we are implementing mod 7 counter using IC 7490. That means 7490 is the IC of mod 10, right? So in mod 10 how many states will be there? That there will be total 10 number of states will be there, and counting will be done from 0 to 9. But using mod 10 IC we have to implement only mod 7. That means 7 number of states should be counted. That is from 0 to 6. So how we should draw the truth table? So truth table mainly consists of inputs and outputs. For example, if you want to implement mod 7 using mod 10 IC, so what I had done, mod 10 means 10 number of states. So I have to write down the 10 number of states here, right? You can see that this is the states. So total 10 number of states are there, that is 0 to 9. Range is from 0 to 9, right? So why I had taken 4-bit, since in mod 10 states are there, and for 10 number of states we can't draw the truth table, and since truth table may be of 8 cells or it may be of 16 cells, right? So 10 cells truth table is not possible, so that's why we have to take a 4-bit number. That means it may have 16 cells, right? So here you can see that I had taken 10 states, that is from 0 to 9, and in this 0 to 9 states what I have to implement, mod 7. Mod 7 means what? Counting is from 0 to 6. So that's why in states 0 to 6 output is 0, and after that 7, 8, 9 count range we have to calculate output as 1, since it is the reset logic, right? Now this is the what we can say your truth table. But after that we have to draw the K-map for output Y, that is the reset logic. So I had drawn here the K-map. You can see that K-map is drawn for 16 cells, and I have only 10 states are there in this truth table. So what I had done, 0 to 10 states output I had written in the 10 boxes, that is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, right? Then your output 7 state is 1, 8 state is 1, and 9 state is 1. So 8 and 9 is 1 I had written. Other than that, remaining cells I have to write out the don't care, right? So I had put there don't care, and after that I had made the grouping. So this is a group of 8 and this is the group of 2. I'll get finally the reset logic, that is QD plus QC, QB, QA, right? So this is the equation. Now what I have to do, I have to implement this using the IC, that is 7490 mod 10 IC, right? This is the pin diagram of IC 7490, that is the mod 10 IC, or you can say decade IC. So you can see that IC consists of 2 mods, that is mod 2 and mod 5. So mod 2 is having 1 clock input, right? That is input A, right? That is external input. Then 1 output, that is QA, right? Then other than that, mod 5 is having 3 outputs, that is QB, QC and QD, right? And in mod 5 clock is there, but that is not external clock. So output of the mod 2, that is QA, will be the input to the clock of mod 5, right? Other than that, ground pin is there, then VCC pin is there, then other than that important pins are R01, R02, R91 and R92. So R01 and R02 pins are what? Your reset logic pins, and R91 and R92 is our preset logic pins. If I set R01 and R02 both to logic 1, that is high, right? So your IC will be reset. That means we'll get output of QA, QB, QC, QD as 0 0 0 0, and if R91 and R92 both are set to logic 1, then you will get the output as decimal 9, that means 1001, right? Or third condition is what? If any one of the pin from R01 and R02 and any one of the pin from R91 and R92 is set to high, then that time counting is done, right? So that is the pin diagram of your IC7490. The next part is what? Draw the logic diagram. So here I had drawn the logic diagram. Logic diagram, you can see that this is the external clock to the mod 2, that is input A, that is pin number 14 is there. I had mentioned the pin numbers there. Then this is what? Input B, that is clock of input mod 5, that is input B, that comes from where? Your output pin QA, that is output pin of mod 2, right? These are the output pins of mod 5, that is QB, QC and QD. So here I had implemented the Y logic, that is reset logic, that is your QD plus QC, QB, QA I had implemented here, and this reset logic will be input to the reset pins, that is R01 and R02. Other than that, the R91 and R92, that is preset pins, that is of no use, that that's why I'll implement it, set it to the ground, right? Then 5 number pin is VCC pin and 10 number pin is ground pin, right? From observing these connections, I have to implement on the kit. So as per the pin diagram, we have to make the connections, right? So the requirement is what? IC7490, that is a mod 10 IC. Then other than that, you will require AND gate IC, and other than that, you will require OR gate IC. These are the ICs of 7490. This is IC of AND gate, this is IC of OR gate. Right now I have to make the connections. That is, you can see input A, that is 14 number pin, right? So 14 number pin, that should be connected to external clock here. Then other than that, input B, that is 1 number pin, that should be connected to QA, that is 12 number pin. Other than that, QB, that is 9 number pin, right? That is displayed in the output section. Other than that, 8 number pin, that is also displayed in the output section. That is other than that, QD, 11 number pin, that is also displayed in the output section. Then QA pin, that is 12 number pin. That is also displayed in the output section. Right? Now we have to implement this logic, that is AND gate pin number 1, that is connected to QA, that is 12 number pin. Right? Other than that, 2 number pin, that is connected to QB, that is pin number 9. 3 is the output of AND gate, that is connected to AND gate 4 number pin. Then other than that, 5 number pin, that is connected to QC, pin number 8. Then 6 is the output pin, right? That goes to OR gate 1 number pin. 2 number pin is, that is connected to QD, that is 11 number pin. Then output of the OR gate will be connected to R01, that is pin number 2, and R02, that is pin number 3. That means it goes to 7490 IC pin number 2 as well. 7490 pin number 3. Right. Then after that, this R91 and R92, that is pin number 6 and 7 of 7490 IC, that is connected to ground. So other than that, VCC pin number 5, that is connected to VCC. Then 10 number pin is ground. that is connected to ground, right? Now the connections of VCC and ground is remained of IC and an OR pin. So 7 number pin is your ground pin and 14 number pins are of VCC. So these are the connections which we have to implement for implementing mod 7 counter using IC 7490. You can see the output, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? It does not count 7, 8, 9, right? Since what we had implemented reset logic for 7, 8, 9, that's why it is implementing only 0 to 6. That's all.